Competency Level 1.1 investigates the subject field of economics. Here we describe economic behavior of people, confirms economics as a social science, explains the importance of learning economics, explains the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics with examples, explains the difference between positive and normative statements with examples. What are behaviors of people? Here we discuss what is the economic behavior of people. Economic behavior refers to the actions individuals take related to work, buying, savings, investment, and consuming. People of a society have various needs, and these needs can be classified as physical and mental needs. The needs that can be directly fulfilled by the consumption of goods and services are called physical needs. Example: food, shelter, clothes, education, and health. Mental needs are affectionate, kindness, spiritual development, love, like this. The activities and behaviors performed by people to fulfill physical needs and wants of a society using limited resources are called economic behavior. According to the social and economic factors such as income of the person, education level, employment, community safety, and social support can be affected to change the economic behavior of people. Economics as a social science subject or science subject. People of a society have various behaviors. Economics studies how do they behave in different circumstances of economy. Another one, since the economic theories and principles emphasized in economics are based on scientific method, it is considered as a science. Economic is considered as a natural science because it is based on some objectives, data collections, analysis, equations, models, and testing theories. Economic is a social science. When they ask to prove that economic is a social science, it's important to consider the following factors to develop a comprehensive answer. The first one is economic facet studied the human behaviors relating to production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Second one, economic studies how people behave in solving the struggle between people's unlimited desire to own goods and services and limitedness of resources to produce goods and services. The third factor is economic facet deals with a broader subject area in human society, and most of burning issues faced by the man will be an economic nature. Due to this reason, economic is considered as the queen of social science. Importance of learning economics. Important in ruling a country. Important as a successful citizen. Ability to understand economic phenomenon well. Important in efficient decision making as investors, consumers, and as producers. Important to vote for a party. Important to make logical decisions for students. You will be a better decision maker in both your personal and professional life. because economic is the study of how to assess alternatives and make better choices. You learn how the world functions. Studying economics will provide you with insight into issues such as taxation, inflation, and interest rates that influence our daily lives. You will gain highly desirable transferable skills that employers seek. Studying for a degree in economics will give you a range of skills that allow you to apply your knowledge of economics to real life situations. The transferable skills you acquire from learning economics are desired and sought after by a variety of employers. You will have a unique way of thinking that you can apply to everyday problems. You will develop a range of skills such as critical thinking, communication, problem solving, and analytical skills that employer want. Positive statements. Statements which answer the questions of what happened, and what will happen. They are objective, that is, positive statements are based on objective facts rather than on personal beliefs or values. They can be tested. Positive statements can be tested and verified through empirical research. They are often used in economic analysis. Positive statements are often used in economic analysis to describe the behavior of markets, firms, and consumers. Normative statements. Normative statements are the statements presented in relation to what should exist and what should happen in a society. They are subjective, that is, normative statements are based on personal beliefs and values rather than on objective facts. They are often controversial, that is, there is often no clear consensus on what is the right normative statement to make in a particular situation. They can influence economic decision making. Normative statement can influence the way that economists and policymakers make decisions about economic policy.